25 mm, 3/32, diameter by 32 mm, 1.25, long hardened steel pin. CNC machined aluminum body handle. Compatible with all Glock models and many other firearms. Useful for the removal of action, trigger pins during disassembly. Compatible with all Glock models and many other firearms, the Glock Armorer's Punch is a very useful tool for the removal of action, trigger pins during assembly. The hardened steel pin is 2.5 mm, 3/32, in diameter and 32 mm, 1.25, long. The CNC machined aluminum body handle is tough and durable. Top reviews from the United States. I really like this tool. This is quite a nice tool. It's easy enough to hold while using a small hammer if needed, or to hold in your hand and push. And the pin is long enough to pass completely through a Glock frame, unlike some standard metal working pin punches. For those who might care about precise dimensions, the measurements of the one I received are, using a Mitutoyo Micrometer 293, 350, 30 and Mitutoyo Caliper 500 to 196. Pin diameter 2.504 mm, 0.09858, which is nominally 3/32. Pin length 33.44 mm, 1.3165. Handle diameter 7.926 mm, 0.31205 inches. Handle length 49.95 mm, 1.9665. Total length 83.39 mm, 3.283. The tip appears flat but is actually very slightly rounded, convex.